Kdebo Wailat. Kdebo Wailat.
Kdebo Wailatsa. Kdebo Wailatsa.
Kdebo Wailav. Kdebo Wailav.
Bawailam cup of tea. Bawailam cup of tea.
Kdebo Wailat.
Tea ledgers le the hall.
Tea larger Lidahall. Strong tea, please. Lidahall, please. And don't forget, Guramahigat. Thank you. Guramahigat. Cafe du. Cafe du.
Suarashte. Suarashte.
Cafe bon. Cafe bon.
Tailog. Tailog.
Ta falcherot. Ta falcherot.
Kdebo Wailat.
Cafe du agus sú ariste le the hall. Guramahigat.
Kdebo Wailat. Coffee buen le the hall. Kdebo Wailat.
Tailog le the hall. Guramahigat.
Ta falcherot.
You might want to ask someone if they take milk or sugar.
Dogan tu banya. Do you take milk? Dogan tu banya.
Dogan tu shukra. Do you take sugar? Dogan tu shukra.
Togam. I do. Ni hogam. I don't.
Kdebo Wailat. Cup of coffee du le the hall. Cup of tailog le the hall. Cafe buen le the hall. Cup of tail ledger le the hall. Dogan tu shure. Ni hogum.
If you're in company and the question Kdebo Wailav is being addressed to the group as a whole, you can use dusa and lumsa to answer specifically for yourself.
Kdebo Wailav.
Bawailam se coffee le the hall.
Te du le the hall.
Pata te. Pata te.
Glunja ishke. Glunja ishke.
Pinta biora. Pinta biora.
Budgel. Budgel.
Caidéb Bhailah. Caithfí dú agus gluineisce dúsa le do hall.
Bhhail lomsa pat a té le do hall. Caidéb Bhailah.
Bhhail lomsa cup of coffee le do hall.
Gcoinne sú áraiste agus copa té dúsa le do hall.
To ask someone if they want a particular thing, you say, Wailat. Would you like? Wailat. Wailat jaw. Would you like a drink? Wailat jaw.
When addressing more than one person, you use liv. Wailah jaw. Wailah jaw.
Wailat pinta biora. Wailat pinta biora.
Bior is the Irish for beer, but the word changes when preceded by pinta. Bior, beer, but pinta biora, a pint of beer.
Ishkebehe. Ishkebehe.
Wailat ishkebaha. Wailat ishkebaha. But why? Yes, I would.
Near why? No, I wouldn't.
Barlum. Barlum. Barlum glunne ishke. Barlum glunne ishke.
Yakair. Yakair. Wailat yakair. Wailat yakair. No. No.
Bhailah fin buena fin Jarek. Fin buena le do hall.
Wailat ishkebehe. Near why? Berlin pinta biora.
Wailat fin Jarek.
Berlum gluineisce le do hall.
Wailat Lakair.
Bhhail. Good and why good.
Wailat budgel biora no ishkebehe.
Berlum sú áraiste le do hall.
Kinche.
Rumaigad.
Tá fáil sé ród.
Wailat coffee.
Barlam copa té.
Wailat gluineiscebehe.
Níor wai go am go. Bhailah glunne biora.
Berlum glunne sú áraiste.
Ar bhhaile le caiir.
Boy. In Aine the Cahar, you learned how to count up to 6 things. You saw how the numbers 2 to 6 cause a shevu in most words beginning with a consonant.
Cafe, but trí cafe.
Pinte, but cuig finte.
Glunne, but sé glunne.
The numbers 7 to 10 cause an oru in some words beginning with a consonant and all words beginning with a vowel.
Buidal, but seacht muidal.
Pinte, but ocht binte.
Glunne, but ní glunne.
Oriste, but jai noriste.
Caidéb bhaileat.
Seacht bant biora le dahar.
Je cafe agus 3 copa té le dahal.
Chuig glonne sú áraiste le dahal.
Ní muidal beora le dahal.
8 sú áraiste.
Listen now to what you say when you're handing out drinks.
Pinte beora ditse. Pinte beora ditse.
Shut a finte. Shut a finte.
Sláinte.